Hi there, welcome to the Science Lab. I'm Mrs. Luloff. I'm the assistant principal here at the Collegiate, and I am also a science teacher. I would have loved to have had you come over and tour around the Science Lab, see the turtle, the gecko, see the many fish, see lots of displays and lots of student work as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't have you over, but we thought, why not show you a few science experiments that I do here with my chemistry students. Chemistry is all about changes. Just kind of like this past year has been all about changes. And next year for many of you as well. Use your observational skills to view the following demos and watch the changes. Ready? Cool, hey? Now it's time to do your own experiment. I would have liked to do this with you, but your teachers are going to help you. You should have a baggie like this, a Ziploc bag. Inside of it, you should have two substances inside of little Ziploc baggies as well. So one is a little bit crystally, it's blue. The other one's really powdery, it's white. And then lastly, you should have a little cup, little plastic cup like that. Put the cup aside for now. Use the Ziploc bag that everything came in. Carefully open up your little Ziploc bags with all of your powders in it and dump them into the bigger Ziploc. Careful, don't drop anything on your table. But if you do, we'll clean it up later. Last one, open it up. dump it in. Try to be as efficient and clean as possible. Put your little Ziplocs aside, and then take your big Ziploc and zipper it up so it's nice and sealed. Shake everything around. Make it good and mixed up. Okay, lastly comes the cup. Your teacher needs to help you here. She's gonna come around and fill it up halfway with a little red liquid. Now don't dump the liquid in there. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is open that back up carefully. Take that cup and don't dump it. Carefully put it inside of the baggie without dumping it. Put it on your table. Zipper lock back up. Make sure the zipper is good and sealed. Check to be sure. Take it and dump it. And mix everything up. I won't give it away. You see what happens. How's that? Hope to see you next year.